land transport. Now let me share the different means of transport with you. They are auto rickshaw, rickshaw, motorcycle, car, bus, truck, etc. In villages, bullock carts and horse carts carry people and their luggage from one place to another place by land. In cities, we find many means of transport like cars, buses, auto rickshaws, etc. Roads help to connect small cities and villages with big cities or metro cities. There are 3 kinds of roads. Try to guess them.
They are highways, rural roads and urban roads.
You are right. Highways connect towns with cities. Rural roads are the ones that join villages with towns. These are called kacha roads. They are made up of clay, mud and stones. The roads which are found within a city are called urban roads. These roads are made up of cement and coal tar. They are called pakka roads. We use roads to reach railway station, airport and ports. They are used to transport goods like food grains, fruits, vegetables, etc.